These in a while. Woo! Oh! Oh! Well, greetings, peoples, folks, and space aliens. Here I am at Cuyuna, of course. This is drag line. I haven't done this trail in a while. It's a super fun, twisty trail. And it's a real easy trail. In the meantime, let's talk about a 1 month review on my bike with inserted videos. Make it kind of interesting. I've had this bike for a month now. What do I think? I am almost all smiles. Let's talk just about overall performance of the suspension. It's actually been pretty good. I have been able to do pretty much everything I've done on the pivot. I hit the big jumps on Wednesday. I didn't make it past where I had made it. Just a little bit. Got that one. Gotta brake a little bit for that one. Wow! Holy buckets, I'm clearing them. This one is a pain in the butt. Oh, so close. Get those first 5 tables, and I've been able to do other tables too. Unfortunately, I tweaked my back, so I don't think I'm going to be doing tables. Although that doesn't seem to be why I tweaked my back. That's kind of a tangent at this point. But the suspension, even though it's different, even though the K2 is quite a bit different than the VPP suspension, I've had pretty good luck with getting it to work and hitting big stuff. So, with that said, I'm really liking the bike overall.
In truth, I've been able to clear some jumps and other things that I haven't been able to do on the pivot on this bike.
Oh yeah! Woo! Totally cleared it. The front fork has been awesome. You definitely want to look at getting a Yari fork if you're on a budget. You got all the money in the world, go Fox or Marzocchi. They are probably just as good, but this front fork has really been pretty sweet. Overall, other components, the dropper post has been, I've been using it more. The dropper post has been operating perfectly. I had a few hiccups at first, and it was just breaking it in. That's all it was. Oh my gosh, I forgot how sweet this trail is. Anyways, the SRAM drive, only one hiccup, and that's getting used to the shifters. This part right here. I'm still getting used to that. So I have been short shifting and over shifting and wrong shifting. Wrong shifting is not the right word. So I love that I went back to clipless. The flats are just not my thing. The clipless pedals work really well with the suspension design, whereas the pivot works really well with probably both. I got that continuous cycle motion. I'm actually in full open in the rear, and it's moving just a little bit. Pretty sweet. So overall, hitting the rock gardens, jumps, drops. I did all the drops today. Going into the big jumps. And I think I'm going to try to hit that a few times with all my gear on. But I'm able to, get myself up to where I was at. And now it's going to be, I have to recover. I'm not going to be doing much riding after Cuyuna. I don't know if I'm going to hit some other trails on the way home. But that's pretty much my thoughts on the bike. 5 stars out of 5. I'd still give the pivot 6 stars. Just for the pedal performance and the weight. I guess that's the other issue, the 2 big issues. Pedal performance is a little different, and the weight of this bike is a little heavier. So I don't know if I'm going to try to lighten this bike up. I am thinking about looking at another bike here down the line. That's only if I can straighten my back out and get back into real riding. I know the back can be fixed. It's just gonna take dollars and time. So, pretty sweet. That's pretty much my 1 month overview for the bike. Like I said, really loving it, really having a lot of fun. Keep rolling with the camera. But I don't know what to expect. Like you go uphill a little bit and then you go downhill a little bit. And I'm not sure if I'm going the right direction either. But super, super fun.